Walking with the ghost.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is not a regular hair or makeup tutorial. I want to show you guys how I make coconut candy with a twist. But before we get into this tutorial, please click the subscribe button down below if you aren't already a subscriber. So the first thing I did after removing the shaft from the coconut was to grate it. You see my grater? Please ignore it there. I saw it too. Anyways, after grating the coconut, I put a pan on the fire and I added a scoop of organic extra virgin coconut oil and I allowed it to melt completely. Then I added sugar and stirred it continuously till it all melted. Then I added a small amount of coconut milk to the melted sugar. Then I added some drops of lemon juice and continued to stir it. And then I added salt. Now that our caramel is ready, I added the grated coconut and stirred it till it became sticky. When it was ready, I put it on a plain surface to cool off a bit and then I rolled it into small balls. This tasted so good, it was like eating normal coconut candy with caramel. You can actually try this as a dessert and it's very simple to make. So guys, don't forget to like and drop a comment on this video.